Welcome again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make acid rain. Let's get started. First, go to Starter GUI and add Screen GUI. After that, add Text button. Rename it to Acid button. Then add local script. Script in always description or Discord. In the owner of the script too. Then customize the button whatever you want. I already customize my own. Next go to replicated storage and add remote event. Rename it to acid rain event. Next got to serverscriptservives and add script because this is the main event. Script is also in the description or Discord. In the owner of this script too. Let's test it. Tap the button to activate the event. See the screen turns green and .my avatar got green too, and also there's a falling green called acid. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.